Making dua, supplication, is a vital act of worship in Islam. But many of us wonder why our duas seem unanswered. It's important to understand that Allah always responds, though not always in the way or time frame we expect. Let's explore 5 reasons your dua may seem unanswered. Lack of sincerity in asking dua is not a mere ritual, it's a heartfelt plea to Allah. If your heart isn't truly present when you ask, the dua may lack sincerity. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Call upon Allah while being certain of being answered." Tirmidhi. Ensure your dua comes from a place of genuine belief and humility, fully trusting Allah's mercy and wisdom. Persisting in haram. Actions, engaging in sins or earning through haram means can block the acceptance of your dua. For instance, if your income comes from unjust or forbidden sources, it creates a barrier between you and Allah. To have your dua accepted, strive to live a life of obedience, repentance, and righteousness. Impatience with Allah's timing. Sometimes we expect immediate results, but Allah's wisdom is beyond our understanding. He may delay fulfilling your dua because He knows what's best for you. The delay could also be a test of your patience and faith. Remember, Allah either grants what you ask, delays it for a better time, or substitutes it with something even better. Failure to fulfill obligations. If you neglect your religious duties, such as praying, fasting, or giving zakat, it may hinder the acceptance of your duas. A strong connection with Allah requires fulfilling these obligations. Strive to improve your acts of worship and maintain consistency in your relationship with Him. It may not be good for you. Allah's knowledge is infinite, while ours is limited. Sometimes what we ask for may harm us or lead us away from the straight path. Allah, in His mercy, withholds it for our own good. Trust in His wisdom and continue making dua, knowing that He has your best interests at heart. Ultimately, never give up on dua. It's a beautiful act of worship that draws you closer to Allah. Even when you feel your duas are unanswered, know that the act itself brings immense reward and builds your relationship with the Almighty.